In this video, I will show you how to book an appointment for Scotiabank. So in order to book an appointment, head over to Scotiabank and you should be able to see in here a book an appointment online. So in order to book an appointment, what you can do is you can head over and then do this right around here. I have in here this demo by Scotiabank themselves and I'll show you how to do that. Let's start this, and in order to do that, you just need to head over right here to the More page. Click on Contact Us option, and then click on this View or Manage an Appointment. Click onto this Personal Banking option, and click onto this Bank Accounts. Just choosing here which one your appointment is concerning. So in here, just choose any one of this. I'll just choose this one and click on Continue. And then choosing here the account that you want to discuss. For example, let's choose checking and then enter in here some additional information that you want and click on continue, and it can be in person or over the phone, so just choose which one you want and click on continue. Then click onto the search. This is only acceptable if you already chosen an in-person option. Just choosing here the location and choosing here the branch that you want to appear to. Then after you have done that, click on continue and then select in here the appointment date and click on OK and select in here the appointment time and click on continue as well. You have in here these details, just fill it up. Click on continue right here and after that just head over and click onto this agree and click on submit. Finish that and you should be done.